Hello students, in our last session we learned about how to be a good batsman. That was our first part. In today's session we will learn how to hit the ball. Tap the bat on the ground line. Tapping the bat on the ground will give the bowler the sign that you are ready to hit. Don't tap the ground excessively hard and keep your bat as straight as possible so that you maintain good form. As we see in cricket that batsmen continuously move their bat up and down, hitting the ground. Step forward with your lead foot and bring the bat back. Swing the bat back so that it comes up to your back shoulder and is pointed straight in the air. As you wind up, keep the bat as straight as possible. As you step forward, turn your lead foot so that your toes are facing the bowler. As you bring the bat back, your forearm should line up with your shoulder. Keep in mind that if the ball is bouncing high, then you will need to step backwards instead. Only step forward if the ball is low. Keep your eye on the ball. Try to follow the ball as it bounces towards you. If you can follow the pitch from when it leaves the bowler's hand, you will know where you have to position the bat for a hit. As the ball comes towards you, decide which kind of hit you want to make with the bat. If you think the ball will bounce in this sweet spot, you can wind up to drive the ball far. If the ball is short, prepare to make a defensive shot or leave the ball outside the off stump. Swing the bat downward to hit the ball after it bounces. Step forward with your lead leg and swing the bat downward so that your lead elbow points towards the bowler. This is the most traditional shot in cricket and is known as the straight drive. Follow through with your shot to make the ball go as far as possible. Swing the bat to the side if the pitch is short. If the ball bounces early or what is known as the shot, you should step back with your back foot to prepare for a high defensive swing. Swing the bat out to the side as you would with a baseball bat instead of swinging it directly down. This is commonly known as the pull shot and will cause the ball to go off to the side. Make contact with the ball if the bowler is aiming for the wickets, that is Yorker ball. If the ball comes in low and fast, the bowler is most likely to hit a wicket and you out. Your main goal is to make contact with the ball for a defensive hit. Use the same swing as you did for a straight drive, but concentrate on just making contact with the ball rather than driving it far. The goal is to hit the ball and prevent it from hitting the stumps. So this was our part 2 of how to be a good batsman. In next session we will learn more in our third part. Thank you.